Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at a Patek Philippe Flyback chronograph annual calendar in 18 karat rose gold on a black leather strap. The model reference number for this watch is 5905R. Retail price on this watch as of 2022 is about $73,330 US. This is Patek Philippe's newest version of the watch in rose gold with a Brown Sunburs Dial. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, the functions, as well as the movement and the strap. And I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. 5905 is a 42mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a rather large size for most Patek Philippe watches, as there's some noticeable heft to this watch, and the case is made out of rose gold. The 42mm 5905 is also one of few of Patek's only cases that are over 40 millimeters. This is the 42. There's the 42mm 5524 Calatrava Pilot, the 40mm 5205 Moon Phase, the 40.5mm Day-Date Annual Calendar 5960, and the 40.5mm 5235 regular. And there's also a 5172 Complications chronograph. This case here on this watch is rated at 30 meters, or about 100 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with that watch, maybe wash your hands, but are you really going to go swimming with this watch on? Probably not. Now let's try this watch on for size to see how it sits on my wrist. My wrist is about 7 inches in circumference, so 42mm watch might look a little large on my medium-sized wrist. However, the lugs don't go over the wrist, so it's still going to look proper. Let me bring your attention to the side profile of this case, where you can see the concave shape of the bezel. You can also see the concave shape of the lugs as well on the right and left. So this watch is a 42mm watch. It doesn't feel as large as the other brand of 42mm cases. Patek actually measures from the case rather than the bezel. So this watch is going to be easier to wear. It doesn't feel clunky on the wrist. The rose gold concave bezel matches this all rose gold case, and it does slim down the feel of the watch. And the bezel also brings your attention to this dial as well. Now going to the dial, we're looking at this beautiful Sunburst brown dial, section calendar dial with a rose gold index hour markers and sword-shaped hour and minute hands applied with lume. You're going to see the tiny lume dots at the end of each of the index hour markers. It's probably better to see them in the dark, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like in low light conditions. And there you have it. You'll see these lume at the end of all the index markers. It's very faint. It's probably not meant to be glowing like really bright. A little bit more subdued. Turn these lights back on. So this, yeah, you can actually read this watch in the dark too. Now going on to the crown here at the 3 o'clock position. Can be wound in its first position. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. The second position out can change the hour and minute hands. So once you have them set, you can just pop that back in and your watch is set. Going on to how are you going to be able to adjust the rest of these complications, like the calendar, right? So if you get a look at the side profile of this watch, you're going to see 3 little buttons here. These are quick adjustment settings for the calendar. So it allows you actually to press them, and you can actually get through the cycle through the calendar functions relatively easy. If you haven't noticed, there's also something at the 6 o'clock position, kind of a white aperture window right above the 30 marker at the 6 o'clock. That is a night and day indicator for your watch. So if you don't know if it's day or night, you can just look at the 6 o'clock position of your watch, you'll know. Now onto the movement of this watch. This is a caliber CH28520 QA24H self-winding calendar movement. It's one of the largest movements that Patek Philippe makes It has the hour, minute, and annual calendar, flyback chronograph, and also day and night indicator, as I said earlier. Now the power reserve on this is 55 hours, but since it's a self-winding movement, it will keep itself wound while you have it on your wrist. And you might have noticed, there's quick date settings as well, quick calendar settings would make it a lot easier to actually operate this watch with all the complications. Now going on to the strap that holds this watch, we're looking at a black alligator strap with a matching rose gold tang buckle here. Also an 18 karat rose gold. This tapered strap looks elegant and proper for this watch. As far as what I think about this watch, Patek Philippe makes some really great timepieces that few of us will ever see on our wrist. And the price point on this watch is just out of reach for most of us. And that doesn't mean that we can't appreciate the watch for what it is. This is the newest 42mm rose gold calendar chronograph. And if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. This model has a stainless steel variation with a full metal bracelet and an olive green dial. But this model reference number again is 5905R as in rose gold. This is the Patek Philippe Flyback chronograph annual calendar in rose gold. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.